What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed my last video about the Amazon product relaunch for my first ever FBA product and how much profit I actually made. I know it has not got a lot of views at the moment, but to be fair, for the FBA community, I think that is a pretty valuable and insightful video, but I digress. As you have seen from the video title, this video is all going to be about relaunching this product on Prime Day and how many sales I've made so far from doing that. As I spoke about in the last video, I'm going to be updating the product listing, I'm going to be updating the images and the general vibe around the whole product and the brand to try and drive home some higher sales and hopefully some bigger profits. As you know, if you watched the last video, which I'll leave a link to up in the top right corner, the profits we made were surprising, unfathomable. I don't even know what to say about the profits we made. But yeah, watch that video if you haven't done.
Stupendous.
Right then, the Preston Regis Cutthroat Razor product relaunch on Prime Day. I'll be completely honest, everything that I wanted to do for the listing wasn't complete in time for Prime Day. I've updated some images, which I'll show you now, and I've updated some of the description, but to be honest, really needed a bit longer. But I just thought it would be a good test to launch it on Prime Day with these new images and just see how the sales reacted to that. As you can see from this screenshot, we managed to sell 10 units in total over the space of 3 days, which is not too bad really, until you look at the advertising. So let's just look at the campaign manager. So the campaign manager shows that we spent £165 on ads and we made £138.93 on sales. So that was an advertising cost of sale of 119%. So basically we've lost more money.
We're gonna celebrate.
There's a trend following here, but essentially the listing has been improved. We've got back onto page 1 now, albeit we're pretty near the bottom of page 1. So I'll just take you through those new images. So I'll flash up the old ones first so you can see the old listing. These are the new images. This one I've kept the same pretty much. I've included the logo and British brand in the bottom right hand corner to try and sort of bring home a bit of integrity, bit of genuine aspect to the product and the brand. Same thing with this image. I've done an infographic myself. This was just done on Photoshop fairly quickly just to try and update the images to a sort of good level to launch a Prime Day and see if we can compare and get some better data and some better sales. So this is basically just throwing home all of the valuable aspects of the product: blade exposure, materials, laser engraving, universal use, the dimensions of it, the wood, traditional design, timeless quality. Someone else has probably trademarked that. I hope they haven't, but I thought it sounded quite good. This bloke here, he's staying. I got another real photo in the barber shop. One thing that I have noticed from a lot of other Amazon sellers and other people's reviews, you gain a lot from reading other people's reviews, so it is definitely worth doing. A lot of people say that sometimes when they purchase a product on Amazon, it's not what it looks like when it turns up. The images don't reflect what the product actually looks like. So as well as doing some of these renders, which do look great, I think it's useful to have a product image of the actual product in real life. So that's what I've done there to try and sort of give people an even better expectation of what they're going to receive. Another good thing which we've done for some of our clients that we sell products for on Amazon is we do a customer testimonial page. Now, usually these other clients that we sell their products for them on Amazon for, as like a management and sales service, which we receive a fixed commission on for every product we sell for them. Because these are usually bigger brands and they have a back end to the company where they sell in retail outlets as well. They sell through other avenues, including their own website. They've got a lot more sort of brand awareness about them, and they've also got a lot of customers that they've managed to build up over the years. So, and they've got some testimonials which we can use on product listing images before we've even gathered some real reviews. And that is something that's really helped us launch these other people's products for them pretty successfully. So when you look at this here, these are all reviews that we've managed to gain from reviews we've gained from Amazon, essentially, and we've just repackaged them, we just repackaged them into an image, so without even customers even having to click on and read the 40 reviews, they can see immediately some of the really good reviews that we've managed to get, and hopefully that will help them make a more clear, quicker purchase decision and purchase the product.
I'm absolutely unbelievable.
So to be fair, considering I've knocked these up pretty quick, some of the updates, just to launch in time for Prime Day, I was expecting some good things. I know only selling over 3 days isn't really the best thing, but I just thought it'd be an insight into selling on Prime Day and what some people overhype to be one of the biggest days of the year. I think certainly for some products it might be, other products maybe not so. These always tend to do well for us. Well, they did in the past. We had our best months, our best sales, our best advertising return on investment during Q4, during the Christmas season, as this is a very good gift product. So hopefully we can prepare these even more and get them in an even better position for that time period. The final thing that I will say about those results on Prime Day is the price point, and that is Preston Regis cutthroat razors retail at $21.99, and having looked on Amazon on Prime Day, all of our competitors dropped their prices significantly. So they were all dropping. Some of these are selling for £7. So this is essentially 3 times cheaper than what we're selling at. And I do think that is one of the reasons that advertising cost is so high. Essentially, we are trying to create a premium brand, and we are paying quite a lot on manufacturing costs. We would not be able to sell at that low price point. The final thing that I want to say when it comes to selling products on Amazon and it comes to competing with other products, which no other Amazon seller has spoken about, is the fact that if you have a back end, you have a real business behind it, a website with credible information, credible images of customers using the product in real life, any more data, social networks, Facebook, Instagram, you really do need to build a bit of a sort of bubble around the product, around the brand, to really hammer home some more sales. Because I've found, especially with the Preston Regis cutthroats, we don't have a website for Preston Regis cutthroats or the Preston Regis brand. All we have is this Amazon listing, and that is the only way that this is getting traffic at the moment. So I think moving forward, I'm going to be setting up a Shopify store to sell this product, maybe some other products, maybe some print on demand stuff, which I've talked about previously before with Amazon merch. So we're just going to try and keep going with this, try and build the brand. And it'd be great for you to come along. And if you enjoy it, if you find this valuable, please hit like, please subscribe, and I will see you all again soon for the next video. Thank you very much.